Actually, I created new email ID.
No, Gmail, how many contacts you will be having?
This is a new Gmail ID, sir, actually.
Old one?
Old one, I don't have more, I think.
Okay. Who has got? Kantaraj, you have a good number of email contacts with you?
As of now, I don't have
Gmail contacts? You don't have?
Gmail contacts have, but I don't know how to get it from my listing. What is that? Now I'm using my mobile only, not a laptop.
You don't have a laptop right now?
Yeah, right now I don't have.
Okay, but you have at home, right?
Yes.
Okay, but you are not at home right now?
So right now, just now I came, but I'm not using my laptop. I think there's some issue in the laptop.
Okay.
But today laptop is compulsory required?
No, I would have taken somebody. See, I'm going to show a demo today. Okay. The demo, I want to do it in somebody else's computer. Okay, because I will enter into that computer through remote control. I will enter the screen and then add practically one live demo I will show.
Okay.
How the contacts have to be added and all that.
Okay, got it.
So we have about 20 participants so far. Madhusudan, you have email contacts with you? So Manish, you have contacts? Manish Jain? Ram, you have email contacts with you? Gmail contacts are high, good numbers. You can unmute and speak.
Sorry. I have, sir, but first time I'm doing, that's the only confusion. I have good number of contacts.
No, not able to hear you. Can you be louder?
Able to hear me now? Able to hear me, sir?
No, very feeble. Very feeble voice. Madhusudan, can you speak?
Hello.
Madhusudan?
Sir, actually, just I checked actually. I have 1,500 plus contacts, but very few having only email IDs or mobile number only uploaded.
Mobile then. Mobile is not required. You need only email contacts.
Email contacts.
So who else has got good number of email IDs?
Either I have got around 75 email IDs.
You have got 75. Okay, so I can probably log into your PC and then do it. Laptop. Okay. See, when you just see whether you have remote control access. Share the screen. When you share the screen, the remote control will come at the bottom, where you have stop screen and all those things is there. No, that next to that it will come. Remote control. The first step, what you have to do is to share the screen.
Okay.
And the next step is to look for the remote control access. The bottom it is there?
No. I cannot find.
You can't see?
Yeah, remote control is there.
Give me that remote control. And you make me as the Give me that.
Yeah, I think.
The given. Right now,
Yeah,
let me see whether I can write. Yeah. Yeah, I can. I have the control. Okay, fine. You can stop it. You can stop it, and then I tell you, you can do it.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. You can stop the screen. Okay, so we will start the session now, and I have some question, right, to ask first. Please answer that one by one. Come here now. It says the questions are self-explanatory. Okay, I'm launching that. I just want you people to answer that. Did you attend yesterday's training program? You can say yes, no. And if it is no, did you watch yesterday's recording on in YouTube? Yes, no. Okay. Keep answering that one by one. Questions.
This is which training program?
Yesterday's evening email training. Email. Evening 5 o'clock I had. Okay, so keep answering that one by one. Everyone. Did you attend yesterday's training program? If you have not attended, you can say no, I have not attended. Okay. Not all of you have replied. Only 50% of the crowd has replied so far. Still about 6 more people to answer. 76% people have answered. Still some of them have not answered. Okay, now one by one, I'll get into that. Almost 85% of the people have answered now. Some 3-4 people have not answered. So it's fine. Now let me, those who have not attended the training program, okay, Great, Geeta. Yes, nice. Those who have not attended my yesterday's training program, I think we have got about 8 people, 9 people. Yeah, we got 9 people in this group who have not attended my yesterday's training program. So today's training program, what will happen is for them, it will be a little bit Greek and Latin because the continuity is lost. Yesterday we discussed about autoresponder, and today I'm going to get involved in implementation of that autoresponder today. Okay, for these 9 people, I think it will be Greek and Latin. So, but nevertheless, what you do is you watch what I'm doing here, and then you should. Now I'm going to put forth here my in the chat box the recording, the YouTube recording link. So please copy this and save it in your, either somewhere, either in your notepad or somewhere you write down and, note it down. So Yogendra Babu, I think it's a problem from your side because everybody else, am I audible to everyone? Everyone else is able to hear me, right? One of you can unmute and tell me.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah. So Yogendra Babu, I think it's a problem with your, network. You are not able to hear me means you are not connected to the audio at all. That is the reason. Okay. Now let me give you that link. You can note down and then save it somewhere so that you are able to view it later on. Then today's session, what I'm going to do will make sense for you. Otherwise, it will be Greek and Latin for you today. Okay, now I'm coming to the chat box. And I'm pasting it here in the chat box, the recording of it. Okay. See, please save it. All of you, please save it. You know who those 9 people who have not attended my program yesterday. The rest of the people, since you all attended, you know about what I'm going to talk about today. Okay. Right. So the next question was, did you watch yesterday's recording in YouTube? This is applicable only for people who have not attended yesterday. Since you have attended, there was no need for you to watch the recording. So it's okay, even if you have not watched, is fine. But people who have not attended, let them go and watch the recording today, which I have already shared now. So there are you there in my email list? So there are nearly about 16 out of 26 people are saying that yes, you are there. The balance 9 people are not there in my email list. So now for those people, I'm just now going to put my email link here down. I want you to go and subscribe. Out of that, then my next question is, would you like to subscribe to my email list? Yes, people have said yes. 3 people have said no. So 3 people, you need not subscribe for this link. You can exclude. But others who have said yes, kindly go to this link now and enter the details. Subscribe immediately so that you are getting updates from me regularly. Okay, now I have put forth that link. So can you see that link below that recording? Just please go there and click it. And once you have entered that, please come back and tell me, yes, you have done it, so that I can move to the next question. It will take you only just about a minute's time. Just click that. Only 4 fields you have to add. Say the name, your email ID, your phone number, and your city. That's all. You need to add that. And then once done, please come back to the chat list and say that you have already done it. You can just say done, done, done. Yeah, I got one Ramakrishna has subscribed. Ram. Then who else? So I'm getting information as to how many people are subscribing. Sainath, you have already done. No, those who have done, forget it. There are about 9 people who are not there. Okay. Out of that 9 people, 6 people have said that I will subscribe now. Madhusudan not done. Already done. Fine. Rashmi Nair done. Okay. RK says it's already subscribed. Okay. Then next. Any more else? Now one more person has done it. Good. Saibaz already subscribed. Okay. Right. I think almost now everything is fine. So my next question is, are you there in Remax Shriram WhatsApp group? 9 people say that they are not there. So now I'm going to share that group link. You please go and join immediately because you will not miss out on updates, what we are sharing on a daily basis. Otherwise, half the information you will not get it. So let me go to the WhatsApp group, share that link. I'm going to give the group 2. Group 1 is full. Okay, group 1 is already full with 250 people there. And group 2 is the one which I'm now sharing now. Okay, see now I'm sharing the WhatsApp group. Those 9 people who are not there in the WhatsApp group, please go and join now so that you are updated. So I'm going to see here how many people are joining right now. Yes. Join one. Joined and one person said good evening. Yeah, I think we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people have joined. One more is due. Fine, no problem. So my next point is, are you aware of my YouTube channel? Yes, 23 people have said yes. 3 people have said no. Okay. For those 3 people, I would like to give my YouTube channel so that they get to know updates. If any video is uploaded on a daily basis, you will get an update. And if you get an update, you will be able to notify, you will get notification and you can watch whenever convenient to you. So for that, I'm going to now give one link. Yeah, now I've given you this link. Around 11 people have not subscribed. So 11 people, please go there and subscribe. There'll be a subscribe button. Okay, just go and subscribe. And later on, after the program and all gets over, whenever you find time, go there and keep watching a lot of videos that I've posted there, which will be of very, very informative and very useful to you. Okay, for your career growth, for your real estate business growth and all that, it will be very nice. So please do that. Okay, so those who have done it, just come and say done it.
Regarding this meeting information instead of email, can it be sent by WhatsApp? Because email we are not checking frequently. WhatsApp frequently check.
No, see, the whole idea is, email it comes, and also WhatsApp also I am posting it.
But WhatsApp I have not received.
No, you have, see, it's not coming.
In Remax also, it is not there.
No, it may not come individually. See, now how did other people attend yesterday? Yesterday, from the same Ace Reality group, people attended yesterday. How they are? How did they get information? So it has been communicated. Somewhere I think it got missed out. Means it is when I put it in the group, definitely everybody can see that. Somewhere it is missed out from your end, because otherwise there is no way that other people could have joined. In fact, Ashley was telling me yesterday, can it be a different timing, because I will be in the office at that time. So he remarked immediately yesterday after seeing that message.
Yes, today's meeting I got, but yesterday whatever you said, it is not there in my WhatsApp.
Yeah, if you go there in the group, you will find it.
In group only I'm checking.
No, I can show you right now if you want. So it'll take a little time, but
Okay, we'll see later on. Okay, finish.
later. Yeah, I'll see it later. I think I've shown it.
Yeah.
Okay. So now this exercise is over. So I'm ending the poll right now. Okay. Done. Thank you so much. Okay. Now, yesterday what we discussed was why autoresponder is important. Why the kind of emails which can go automatically to people, how it can be done. All this was discussed yesterday. And many of you have signed up for Get Response, okay, and you've done that. Now those who have done it are all there today. Some of you have repeated today. I think about 9 people are new. So for them, they have to see the yesterday's recording to get connectivity for today's program. So today I'm going to now get into autoresponder and create some content and add list of email IDs to that autoresponder. And you need to keep watching this. So I'm going to take the help of Anand now. Anand, can you just share your screen now and give me the remote control access? Okay. Now what you can do is go to login and login. Okay. Login with your details. Okay, so you have now entered. Go to lists now. Okay, now there is an automatic list that you have created. Now this list you are going to now import. Okay, here the Excel one. Show me the Excel sheet where you had all the details. Yeah, you have email ID and first name, correct? You got email ID and first name, and you don't have phone number, you don't have city, correct? You need to unmute and speak. That's all. 1 minute. Let me unmute you. Once again.
Yeah, Sridhar, it's a CSV file actually. I just wanted to update that.
This is CSV file?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now you go to Get Response.
Okay.
Yeah. Now go. You create one new list now. Create list here. Give a name for this list. What name you would like to give?
Say test email only.
You want to put it as test. Why? Because this you are going to use it. No, I'm going to create autoresponders. It will start going. Mails and all will start going. Them.
Okay. This is almost a kind of buyer list actually.
It is a buyer list?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Then you put it as buyer list. Buyer underscore list. It is already there already. So what you can do is by B underscore U, you put.
Now the name invalid date says.
Invalid is B. B capital is there. It should be small. So now you put it as B and somebody has already taken this list. So what you can do, you put one more underscore. It is accepted now. Yeah. Good. So now you go to that 3 dots which is there here.
Okay.
These 3 dots. Okay. Add contacts.
Okay.
Okay. Now what you are going to do? Go to an upload file here. Upload file. Here in top. 1 by 1 below that.
One by one upload.
Yes. Upload file. Okay. So now if you go there, you can drag it. You can file. You can upload that.
Okay.
Now that CSV file you can upload. Yeah, it has been uploaded, right? Now 1 second. Which one?
Let me just.
Ah,
close
yeah,
this.
yeah, right. Okay.
Yeah.
So you uploaded only one file, no?
Correct. Yeah. Only one.
Okay, now go down a little. There is something called I have permission to add these people to my list.
Okay.
Okay. Next. So now this is what has come. Email
Correct.
ID and first name. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you say import. 76 contacts.
Why does list shows only 20?
That's okay. That's okay. It is there. 76. It is saying no. 76 contacts are ready for import.
Okay.
So you import now.
Hmm.
This can take a moment. Okay, got it. Okay, now 75 have been uploaded in your list.
Yeah.
The list is now ready for you.
Okay.
Okay, now you go to autoresponder. Here you go to that menu on top. Yes, there is something called autoresponder. Correct. Yeah, there is nothing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now you click these dots.
This one.
This one.
Okay.
Now everything is 0. So first is
Correct.
first mail you are going to now make.
Mm.
You want to create one mail now.
Okay.
So it is asking you should give a name here by editing this name. Now I will do this. Keep watching.
Okay. Sure.
Now this will be a welcome mail. As soon as they come and join, and it says it is automatically it will be linked to your S Anand 07. Okay. So you need to get into this drop down and connect buyer list first, because this mail has to go to this buyer list.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. Now here it says same time as a sign up time. Supposing somebody signs up in your list, at the moment it is uploaded, they will get mail from your end.
Okay.
Okay, or you can pick and choose here with a delay of 1 hour exactly at particular time. Now, if you want to go for exactly at particular time, you can say now is 5 o'clock time, right? 5:30 or something. Now you want this to go at 7 o'clock. You can put it as 7 o'clock. Or tomorrow, if you want it to go, then you can put instead of 0, you can put it as 1 day later.
Okay.
Okay, or you want to send the mail after 5 days, you can put 5 days here. So it gets automatically scheduled. Means whatever you tell, it will accept.
Okay.
Now let us take it as same time as sign up, so that the first welcome mail will go automatically to them. Okay, it will go from yes Anand, this mail ID.
Okay.
From this mail ID, it will go. You can make it as official also next time. What you can do is you can add an email and put your official email ID here, and it will go from official email ID.
So how can we update this email ID?
We can just now what we do is we go back to settings here. Manage account.
Okay.
Email addresses. Okay. Add an email. Okay. Put your name here. Should it be from Remax Yes Reality or should it be from Anand? Yes.
Yeah.
No, wrong. Is this the one?
Yeah, remix.in is the one I have got.
Correct. Add address. Yes, got it.
Yeah.
Now go to correspondent. Okay. Now what you can do, just again go there. You're about to create one. Yes. Okay. Now create this one. Okay. Edit name. Welcome mail. Welcome mail. Link. This is the buyer list. Okay, now you can select. Go back to that. Have you added that?
Yes, I added.
Added, but has it taken it? First of all, why is it not coming back here? It should come. Save. You have not saved it, no?
But this is the login details. This is the account details.
Where is it added? It is not added. So you have added, but we forgot to, I think, save it or something. Just add it.
This mail will go all the days, Monday to Sunday?
No, actually, he need to verify the mail from this Remax mail ID, sir.
Huh?
So it asks to verify the email ID.
Ah, yeah. Go to your this thing. Yeah, go there and verify that. Go to your remax.in mail ID.
Okay.
And verify that.
1 second.
Unconfirmed. So that is why it is not showing there. Open your remax.in. You're doing it in your mobile, is it?
But I have not received any mail.
It would have gone to some this thing.
1 second. I got it now. I got it.
Got it? Okay.
Okay. Confirm.
Done?
Yes. Done.
Now we refresh this. Yeah. Now we say authenticate. Okay, not required. This is just got it. You say got it. Done. Now go back to your autoresponder here. Okay. Click 1.
Yeah.
So reply also will come there.
Okay.
Then you want to give a subject line for this. Okay. You can say welcome. Welcome. And here there is this button which is there. If you click this, okay, you can select first name here. So it will go as welcome Anand. Okay. The subject line will be welcome Anand or welcome Dr. Chavan, welcome Sridhar. Like that it will go for each and every one. Whatever name that you have given, first name, no, that one. Okay, that will go. Then you need to design email message now. So content has to be created. Now you have so many templates. Okay. So let us not bother about this currently. We will just go to blank templates.
Okay.
So then we will click this blank template. We are using it. I hope others are following it. I'm just wanting chat message. Are you all able to understand what I'm doing? If you are able to understand, you say that you understood. Understood means you. You means understood. Can you just put your remark, you understood? Yeah. Good. So you have understood what I'm doing. Fine. There's no confusion. Great. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. Fine. Now what you do is logo we have to put. Okay. Click this logo. And come here, little down. Okay, here you can say add image. Okay, you have Remax logo with you, balloon logo with you.
Yes, yes, I have. I have.
So just put that, add that image here. You will get an option here, upload or add files. Yeah, drag from here. Yes, take it, open,
Yeah.
add. Okay, select that. Yes, select that and say, what has happened? It will come here. Now what has happened? This is very big. Okay, so go down, you can change the size of it. Here 584 by 742 is there. You
Yeah.
make it as 184. Just put it as 184. 84. Automatically the bottom will change. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Now you see this size of the that Remax logo is come small now. Okay. Now it is fine.
Mhm.
Now next what you have to do is go up, scroll up.
Yeah.
Go up further. This layout, you have to go to this layout. Go to this layout. Okay. Now you drag this text part of it, text one,
Okay.
and put it here. Text you drag and put it here.
Put where?
There, just below the Remax here. No, this start with layout is there. No, there only. Correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you can type the message here. So what I'm going to do now, dear, I'm going to put first name. Okay, first name you have to select from here on top.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, put first name, and it will go as dear Sridhar, dear this thing, all that. Okay. Now go back this thing. Control Z. Put Control Z. Yeah. I want you to bring this cursor down.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Just put two more. Two more. Enter. How to do first name? Okay. Dear first name. You see here on top here. Can you see this? There is Remax balloon here. On top B, I, U, T, X, X. All these things are there. Okay. Then you come here. There is one first name here. Okay. Can you see this? So that is what you have to click. If you click that Anand, you click that and you get options here. Okay, in these options, you should go for first name and then click that first name. That's all. Then it will come automatically here. So what it will do, the software will automatically capture the first name of that individual and then it will go as dear Sridhar, dear Anand, dear Dan Lok, like that it will go on. Everybody will feel that you have sent a personal mail to him. So now I'm going to write the content. Dear so-and-so, hearty welcome. You have any standard mail with you which is already there or you want to type out?
Oh, no, I don't have any template.
You don't have any template. So not here, not in this, but anywhere, some other mail in Gmail or something like that if you have sent. You can just copy, paste and put it here. Otherwise, we'll have to type the entire thing. Okay. Otherwise, wait a minute. I have one content. Okay. I will send it to you.
Okay.
And you copy paste that and paste it here.
Okay. Just send it to my Gmail ID.
Email ID, right? Okay. Fine. So from my Gmail ID, I have sent it to your Gmail ID now. Just check it out. Refresh it. Not getting refreshed.
Yeah, now it's.
Go here and refresh. Here. Promotions.
No.
Go to this.
No.
Go to spam. Yeah, there only, correct. More is there, no? Right. Go there, no.
No, it's not there.
So go on top again, it will come now.
Yeah.
Correct. So now go down, just copy this one. Yeah. Yes, copy that. Here. Here is on top, right side is there. Yes, here. Just paste it there. Okay, now what you do is on top, just go a little up, the same one. See here I've said that you have registered yourself for a virtual expo that we organized recently. Now you can mention here how, yes, correct.
Just we need to remove.
That you can remove it. Okay, welcome to Remax community, and this is okay. Since you are in the lookout for a property purchase, be rest assured that we'll be able to find a good one for you. Okay. It's already done. Now so go down and see whether everything is fine, all the content is fine. Okay,
Yeah.
right. Do get in touch and put your name. At the bottom, you can put your name. Now, put your name, your phone number, all that. Business, you can say business associate. Then put your 8064292. Right. Okay. So now go down. It says next. Go to next here on top right.
Top right.
Here. Here, you see my cursor there. Line spacing is there. And then you go on top. Test and preview. Here, I'm showing here.
I cannot see your cursor at all.
Oh, you can't see my cursor? Okay. You go on top. That back and design content and all is there, no? That area. That area, go to the extreme right.
Okay, extreme right.
Next, on top. Next is there, you see.
Okay. This was.
That is the one. Correct.
I think that was blocking.
Okay, now this is, come here, it will go. Remax.in is fine. This is fine.
Okay, this is the content.
This is also fine. Yeah, go down. Now save and publish.
And how about this one? Just click tracking and.
Nothing, you don't have to do anything on that.
Okay.
Just see, save and publish. Okay. So now on the day 0, now automatically this mail would have gone to all of them.
Okay.
Okay. So now next you want to do Next message. Okay, go on this. Go to tomorrow if you want to send, or whenever you want to send. Tomorrow or 2 days later.
Okay. Okay. And it's the same procedure right now again.
What you have done is, I'll send you what should be the second message. It should not be the same message. No, you're now not going to welcome them.
Correct. Correct. That's what I meant.
You
The
are going to
procedure is same. Only the template will.
same template you can use it.
Okay.
Same template, only the content will change.
Content will vary. That's it.
Content will change.
Ah.
So is that clear? Now you can design around maybe around seven such emails you design and keep it ready. Okay. And what happens? It will go automatically one day after, whenever you want that to go, it will go. Automatically it will go and you don't have to worry about that. Okay. Then whenever new person is getting added, right, he will start getting from welcome mail again from there.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's say after 10 days you are adding one person. Okay.
Now that one single the additional ID, how can I add it manually or in that Excel sheet itself? Can I, if I add it, then I need to re-upload it, right?
No. You can add it manually here.
Manually also you can add it.
You can add it. Go to that list. I'll show you how to add it. Go here, list. Yes.
Yeah. Yesterday you showed us. Yeah, manual ID.
You just
Right.
go here. Here. Not there. That is going to add in
One by one manually.
one by one manually, and you have to actually add it. If you want to add it in the buyers list, you have to make sure that it is going to the buyers list. So
Okay.
select this,
Okay.
and then you want whether autoresponder cycle should start for that.
Then you have to check this. Okay.
When do you want to start? Whether it's from 0 day or from 5th day. It will ask.
Okay.
You can select from whichever day you want that to be. Then you can keep adding one by one.
Okay.
Okay. And it will get added into that particular list. Now out of 76, 68 are actually your correct email IDs. Balance are all not correct. That's why it has bounced back or something.
Oh, is it okay?
Now 68, it was showing that you have 68. But initially we uploaded 76.
Correct.
Now when the mail has gone, it has now, some mails have bounced back, which means those mails are not correct. That is why it has come back.
Okay.
Okay. So that is how it is done. Right?
Bounce back this thing. How did you get that notification?
So here you see, go to list now.
Okay.
Now you see 68 only is there.
Correct.
So what happened to the balance 9 or 8? 8 mail IDs are not correct. That's why it has not gone. Otherwise 76 would have come.
Okay.
Okay, it has now cleaned up. Now these 68 email IDs are perfect.
Okay.
Okay. Then now supposing, now this is autoresponder. Supposing you want to send a normal email. Okay. Let's go and check it out how to do that. Okay. Can I go to the top?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go here. You can do email marketing. Email marketing means normal email. Simple one email you want to send. Okay. You have to create a newsletter. Here. The same procedure. Okay. You will select, but you want to send it to whom? Buyers or only to one person or how? Right? You can select that and then you can change your mail IDs, Anand and all that. Fine. Yeah. Then you can give the content, then to whom it should go, then design message, whatever mail that you want to send to everyone. Okay. In one shot, you can send and then send message. It will go to everybody one shot. It is not an autoresponder. It is an email marketing. Whenever you want to send an email to everybody, you can send it in one shot. Okay. Supposing tomorrow some new property has come. You want to intimate all these 68 people that new property has come. This is the information that you want to provide them. You can just create one new email and then send it to them. Like normally how you do it in Gmail and all that.
Yeah. Okay.
Like that you can do this. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Now I think you can stop the screen share.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So let's come back to the general questions now. My question is to now all the people here. Now, if you have understood now how to create an autoresponder, you say that I know now. Okay, IKN is the reply. If you know, if you do not know, IDK. I know now means IKN. Okay, IKN. I do not know means IDK. IDK. Dr. Chavan doesn't know. Okay. Okay. Shaib Azmat, I know. I know now. Okay. Fine. Everything is done. Great. IDK. K.S. Chandrasekhar also IDK. C.S. Naidu IDK. Okay. 3 people I don't know. C.S. Naidu, your computer skill is poor or what? Naidu ji?
Yes, poor.
That is why you are not able to understand.
Yeah, correct.
Requires a little bit of knowledge.
Yeah, I have to improve some knowledge.
Yes. We have a computer class and all that. 5:30 in the
Yeah.
morning. 5:30 in the morning it is being taught. If you want to join, you can join.
Yes, certainly.
Then get in touch with Chandrasekhar.
Yeah.
Whom do you know in our group, in our team?
Manjunath.
Manjunath.
Yeah.
Check with him. When is the computer class? Weekly once we are doing.
Okay.
You can attend.
Sir, I also take computer classes.
But we do computer class free. I think Shailendra, right? Shailendra, I think you will charge money. Correct? Shailendra, you can unmute and speak. What are your charges? Can you unmute and speak? Unmute your mic.
Yeah. Sir, I mean, sir is my student, so I have told I will not charge for that.
Oh, you will not charge for that. Okay.
Yeah, I will not charge for that.
So you will do free of cost for everybody.
Means I will do, sir, no problem.
Oh my God. Arey, Naidu sir. Naidu, Dr. Chavan, you see how I think you teach them, they will pay something for you. Okay.
That is up to them, but I will teach them properly, sir, no problem.
Okay. So you can check with Chandrasekhar. The professional class teacher, I think he can teach. Okay. Now, next challenge now is, okay, now you have some list and all that, it is fine. Now you have to build the list now. You have to add more number of people in the list. Now that will be explained to you tomorrow. Okay. Today's session is over. As far as from yesterday and today, what we have learned is, yesterday we came to know how to create get response, sign up for that. And today you have understood how to create an autoresponder. Tomorrow I will teach you on how to now increase the number of lists. How do you get more people signing up for, and then now this 68 for Anand, this 68 should go to something like about 2000. How will it go? Okay, slowly it will go. But for that you have to put some marketing. You have to do some marketing job. That marketing I will teach you tomorrow. Okay.
Tomorrow same time, 5 o'clock.
Same time, 5 o'clock. Okay. Link will be posted in the group. Tomorrow you can.
I have a small question.
Yeah.
And now, what is the procedure to upload the listing files? See, one option is the Excel sheet. Whether it's a standard format or any format, is a particular
CSV.
format in that?
CSV file.
CSV file.
CSV file. CSV, comma separated value file.
Okay,
so how you can do that? How you can get that? This thing is, I'll teach you here. I'll show one Excel sheet. Okay. See now, this is my, let's say this is my normal Excel sheet. Okay.
Okay.
Now this is my normal Excel sheet, which you are there, which you are having in every Microsoft Microsoft Excel, and it is there in your HP or Mac or whatever it is. Now you have to save it as CSV file. How to save that? You come here. Okay, I'm now going to download this. It is giving me option Microsoft Excel.xls, and then at the bottom you see here comma separated value CSV file. Okay. So if you click this, it will get saved as CSV file, and that file you should upload it in this list. Okay.
Fine, sir.
Okay. Is it clearly explained? Is it very clear for everyone? Shailendra, you have understood?
Yeah, yes, sir. I have understood. And I'll watch the yesterday videos also, sir.
Yesterday's videos also you watch, and then you will understand what it is and teach Chandrasekhar. Okay?
Yeah, sure, sir.
How to do it and all that. Automatic, this has to go. Okay.
Yes,
Sir,
sure,
good evening,
sir.
sir. Good evening, sir. Madhu.
Yes, who is next?
Yeah, today section not listen to totally. Can you send the video after that?
Okay, Madhusudan, I'll send you. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
I
want to ask you questions personally.
RK, you want to ask question personally to me? Okay.
Yes. Yeah, now, I want this video also.
Yeah, you know my WhatsApp number?
Yes, sir, I know.
You just message me, we'll discuss.
Okay.
Anybody else who wants to have personal discussion with me? Whoever wants, you can just message me. We can have personal discussion. Okay.
Today's session, please video sent to the group, sir. It is for useful. All people.
I'm going to put it in that group. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everybody. Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Bye. See you tomorrow again, same time at 5 o'clock. Okay. Bye.